Hey everyone, welcome to the Hidden World. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bacteria, tiny creatures that are everywhere but rarely get the spotlight they deserve. Stick around, because these 10 facts will blow your mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love science content. Let's get started. Fact number 1, bacteria are older than dinosaurs. Bacteria have been around for at least 3.5 billion years. Way before dinosaurs, they were among the first life forms on Earth and have survived multiple mass extinctions. Fact number 2, your body has more bacteria than human cells. Did you know that for every one human cell, there are about 1.3 bacterial cells in your body? That means you're technically more bacteria than human. Fact number 3, bacteria can eat metal and plastic. Some bacteria, like Geobacter, can eat metals and generate electricity. Scientists have even found bacteria that can break down plastic, which could help solve pollution problems. Fact number 4, bacteria live everywhere, even in space. From deep-sea trenches to outer space, bacteria can survive in extreme conditions. NASA has even found bacteria living on the outside of the International Space Station. Fact number 5, your pillow has more bacteria than a toilet seat. Your pillow might look clean, but it actually harbors millions of bacteria, sometimes more than a toilet seat. Wash your pillowcases often. Fact number 6, some bacteria can survive boiling water. Certain bacteria, like thermophiles, can thrive in temperatures over 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than boiling water. They live in hot springs and deep-sea vents. Fact number 7, bacteria can communicate with each other. Bacteria use a process called quorum sensing to talk to each other. They can coordinate attacks, share food, and even glow in the dark. Fact number 8, some bacteria can freeze and come back to life. Frozen bacteria from thousands of years ago have been revived by scientists. This means ancient microbes could still be alive beneath ice caps. Fact number 9, bacteria help make your favorite foods. Without bacteria, we wouldn't have cheese, yogurt, or even chocolate. Lactobacillus bacteria help in fermentation, giving these foods their unique flavors. Fact number 10, some bacteria can turn you into a zombie. There's a bacterium called Toxoplasma gondii that infects the brain and can even alter behavior. Infected rats lose their fear of cats, making them easy prey. So, which bacteria fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science videos. See you in the next one.